Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
I think this is a film that needs to be told. All mothers have one language. I'm a very spontaneous actor. Sometimes, when you're told too much, it hinders the performance. When I heard the subject, it really, really touched me.
What was the most challenging part about portraying this particular character in this film, Isha? Isha Deol, first of all, welcome to Latestly. But I don't know how to say this. Is this a kind of complaint that revolves in your head these days? That whenever you make a film, whenever you make an appearance in a film, they say this is Ish. Isha is staging a comeback. This is a comeback film. And they have been saying it all along. Does that bother you?
No, it doesn't bother me. I mean, it's a perception, each to their own. For me, in my head, it's once an actor, always an actor, and I have a personal life as well.
Yeah.
And at that moment, my personal life took more importance because I settled down, started a family, kids were babies.
Yeah.
So obviously, the attention is more there now that they are a bit grown up. And good content is being offered to me. I feel a good incentive to get back to work.
Now, the reason why I put this question to you was because you did Cakewalk with Ram Kamal. You also authored a book, and still they say staging a comeback. Now that's quite crazy.
That's okay. I mean, that's the mindset that people have, and I can't really bother to make an effort to change it.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't really affect me in a personal way at all. So it's okay. So be it.
Yes. Ek Dua, fantastic title. It has so much depth to it, and the subject looks quite interesting. Would you like to elaborate on the subject matter, the substance of it?
Okay, so it's, as you see in the trailer, it's quite obvious a bit. We are talking about gender inequality, which
True.
largely still does exist. But once you watch the film, there is much more to it, which will unfold as the story progresses. So I think this is a film that needs to be told. The story needs to be told, and I'm hoping. And I'm confident actually that it is going to have a very positive impact on the viewer's mind.
What is it like joining forces with Ram Kamal again? You did a film titled Cakewalk, as I said in my introduction as well, and now this is your second film. So, in terms of comfort level, in terms of understanding his directorial acumen, because he's been a successful journalist as well, a successful editor, a good writer, and a filmmaker now. So all these elements coming together, and that makes him perhaps a fine director as well. Would you like to elaborate on his directorial acumen?
Yes,
What was it working like with him?
So we first collaborated for Cakewalk.
Yes.
I had a great time working with him, and he also surprised me because even I've known him as a journalist and a writer, and I just had a feeling that he has a good inclination towards direction as well, because he's a very creative person. And he did a great job with Cakewalk, and the stories that he tells through his films are really nice. They give importance to certain subjects that need to be addressed, and also for the female to portray the story, be the protagonist and portray the story is really nice. And I think there is a good comfort level between him and me. There's a good understanding with our creativity. I don't think there's anything we really disagree on. And I'm a very spontaneous actor. And what I like about him is he trusts me, and he knows that I've understood a particular character. So he lets me perform, without, sometimes when you're told too much, it hinders the performance.
Right.
And as to me as an actor, so he is someone who lets the performance flow, and he brings that out really naturally well, which I really enjoyed back in the day with someone like a Mani sir. He used to let us do that.
Right.
Yeah.
And you said quite interestingly in a statement that this is a film that you were ready to make right from the word go. What
Yeah.
was it about the subject matter that completely sort of impressed you, and you made the decision that you had to produce this one as well?
With where I am today and the way I feel emotionally and the way I function in life and everything. And having said that, also being a mother,
True.
also being a daughter, when I heard the subject, it really, really touched me on a very deep level. And I was offered to just act in it. But I felt that this is a subject I want to be, I want to associate myself with in a larger way. And if I ever make a film, it should be a film like this. And that's how Bharatesha Films was formed. And this is our first film, Ek Dua.
And you embrace motherhood in real life. You are mother of
Yes.
two gorgeous daughters. Uh, what aspects from real life have you drawn to be able to portray a mother in this one in this films?
Yeah, I think becoming a mother has impacted me in a lot of ways, in a
Mm,
positive way. And especially this role is of a mother. So I understand what Abida has gone through, her emotions, her feelings, her sentiments,
mm,
because I'm a mother myself.
correct.
Okay, and I think all mothers have one language and one connection with their
True.
kids.
True.
And only a mother to mother can you understand that.
And you're also shedding light on gender equality with this one, which is so very important, especially in this country. And things are changing rapidly, dramatically. People want to talk about this subject. They want to discuss in detail. So, where do you see this film acting as a tool, perhaps, to get that discussion on the dining table, so to speak, or to be able to use this movie as a tool towards a progressive change, maybe?
This, I would say, is my humble effort
Hmm,
towards, uh, you know, bringing focus and light to such a large topic.
true.
It's happened through the medium of a film,
Yes.
and I I know that the film will definitely have a positive impact on the minds of people. Um, that's the kind of film we've made, and once you watch it, you will agree with me.
The trailer looks absolutely fabulous. The characters are endearing and they're real. What was the
Yes.
most challenging part about portraying this particular character in this film, Aisha?
Um, it was, I think, just the emotional journey that I had to go through with Abida, with what she was going through. It's painful.
Right,
It is.
right. And what are you hoping to achieve with this one?
I'm hoping to achieve, even if it's, that particular percentage of people who still function with that school of thought,
Hmm,
if it could change their mind
hmm,
and give equal amount of love and acknowledgement to the boy and the girl as well.
true, true. And gender equality is such an important topic. Uh, More so in this industry where people, talk about pay disparity. People say that male actors get paid more than female actors. So, as an industry member, as someone who comes from the fraternity, how do you see that change? Do you see changes happening around you? That equality is placed everywhere these days?
There is a change coming in for sure. I mean,
Huh,
you can see it with the kind of films being made and the girls turning into producers and making films,
yeah.
and it's it's there. It's there.
And of course, collaborating with your husband for this one. Uh,
Yes.
yeah, I mean, getting a family member, your spouse on board and doing something really exciting and meaningful, something of substance. What does it feel like? How do you function there, two of you,
I mean,
in
we
that
are
space?
one unit. We are one unit. We've always had a great understanding about each other
Hmm,
on a professional level as well. I understand his work. He comes from a totally different business background. I'm
true.
from the film. With this, it was also the subject, him being a father also. motivated him to, you know, make this as a first
Right.
with our production.
Right. And you have been doing films for so many years. You come from a family, this legacy that you carry with yourself. But being a producer, wearing that hat, it's a different ball. It's a different game altogether. So,
Yeah.
what is it like? I mean, being a producer, what have you learned as a producer? What lessons would you want to implement, both as an actor and producer, perhaps in your next one?
Well, there's a lot that one learns with the first film that they produced, and there are
Yes.
things you learn and know that in the second one what you should do and shouldn't do. But we did a lot of prep work. I made sure there was a lot of prep work that went into, you know, before making the film, before being on set. That really helped. And also, my family has a background of producing films, whether it's my grandmother, my mother, my father's side of the family. So I've seen all that very closely as well. So there's a lot learned already over there,
True.
you know. Yeah. And I'm just looking at making films where I should feel the motivation to, first of all, make,
Yes.
and secondly, watch as a viewer, and thirdly, and most importantly, have a positive impact on the viewer.
Oh, lovely. My last question, Isha. Matlab, after so many years, Isha is still known in the larger consciousness of this country as a Dhoom girl. They know you for your dancing skills. Tell me, I mean, now you're in movies. There are web series platforms are also opening up. You have been a part of reality shows as well. So how do you see yourself getting placed in this range, plethora of options that are opening up for you? Not just films, web series also, television, reality shows, so many options, isn't it?
Like, I think it's a great time to get back to work. That happened to me with the offers that are coming my way. That's why I decided now is a good time to start working. You know, with the next project that I'm beginning as well, with is a web series. So the scale is larger with the OTT platforms booming right now, and there's a nice variety of content being made, where as an actor you can choose and decide what you want to do and what you don't.
Isha Deol, we are so glad to see you, that you're making come back again with this
Thank
one.
you.
Dua, thank you. Thank you so much for
Pleasure.
your time and all the best. Here's hoping that you achieve what you want to achieve with this one.
Thank you. Thank you. Do watch it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Bye. Stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.